Hey there, fellow homeowners. Winter is just around the corner, and if you're like me, you want your garden to thrive year-round. Today I'll be sharing essential tips on protecting your trees and shrubs from winter damage. So grab a cup of tea and let's get started. First off, let's talk about insulation. Think of mulch as a cozy blanket for your plants. In colder regions like the Northeast, apply a thick layer of mulch around the base of your trees and shrubs. This helps maintain soil temperature and prevents roots from freezing. Next up, hydration is crucial. Before the ground freezes, give your trees and shrubs a deep watering. This is especially important in places like the Midwest where winter winds can dry out the soil. Think of it like giving your plants a big drink before tucking them in for a long nap. Now let's discuss wind protection. In areas prone to strong winter winds, like the Great Plains, consider using burlap screens or windbreaks. These barriers can shield your plants from harsh gusts and reduce the risk of damage. Simply stake the burlap around the plant, securing it firmly. For those of you in milder climates like the Pacific Northwest, winter rain can be an issue. Ensure proper drainage around your plants to avoid root rot. Raise beds or use well-draining soil to keep your roots happy and healthy. And don't forget about wrapping your trees. In regions with heavy snowfall, such as the Rockies, wrapping the trunks of young trees with tree wrap can prevent bark damage from frost cracks and sun scald. Wrap the trunk from the base up to the first branches, overlapping the layers. Lastly, pruning is essential. Remove any dead or damaged branches in late fall. This reduces the risk of breakage under the weight of snow and ice. Just remember to use clean, sharp tools to make clean cuts. So there you have it. With these tips, your trees and shrubs will be well prepared to face the winter months ahead. Remember, a little preparation goes a long way in keeping your garden beautiful and thriving year-round. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening advice. Thanks for watching and happy gardening!